Hey guys, did you know that there is a vaccine for shingles? And even more importantly, there is a new study showing that getting this vaccine for shingles might actually help protect you from dementia. So, shingles is caused by the same virus that causes chickenpox. So, people get chickenpox when they're young, they have that infection all over their body, they get through that, but the virus doesn't fully go away. In fact, it stays dormant inside the body and hides inside our nerve cells. And studies suggest that when the virus reactivates, it causes all sorts of damage in the central nervous system, including the brain, things like inflammation, protein accumulation, blood vessel damage, all the same things that are known to be associated with dementia. So the theory goes that if you get the shingles vaccine and you protect yourself from having that virus reactivate, you might protect yourself from getting dementia. So here's a study, and they had this very interesting program in Wales where if you were born before a certain date, you were not a candidate to get this vaccine, and if you were born after that date, you were a candidate. So this amounts to what's called a natural experiment, where they were able to compare people born a week before that date to people born just a week after that date. Presumably, those people would be very similar in every other way, except that the people after that date were able to get the shingles vaccine. What they found is that after 7 years of following these two groups of people, those who had received the vaccine had a relative 20% lower chance of developing dementia. And 20% is a big number for a disease like dementia. And although this study was done with an older form of the shingles vaccine, the newer form is even better at protecting from shingles, and there are other studies suggesting that it might also be even better at protecting from dementia. So if you're 50 or over, you already have a good reason to get the shingles vaccine, which is to protect yourself from shingles. But the study makes a very convincing argument that it might also help to protect you from dementia.